Hi, I'm Omid and I come back with another amazing Power Query tips. Today I'm going to show you how to use multi-replacement at the same time in the Power Query. Consider this example. We have date and we have value. In the value columns, there are lots of parameters that we want to replace them with the nulls. NA with open parentheses, not available, and XXX. The worst way is to use a replacement several times for these columns. So select these columns, go to the replace value, once say that replace NA with nulls, then say replace not available with nulls, and the same for others. You have to add 4 steps for these 4 variations. What if you have lots of variations? In the second way, you can use add a columns. To do this, I'm going to add a custom columns and say that this is all the variation. NA, let's define it as a list. NA open parentheses, not available, and then XXX. Be careful about a case sensitivity of Power Query. Then we said that if list contains, and in the second argument we define this one, the value. It means that if the value provided in this column is one of the value provided here, then return null, else return value. Yeah, and press OK. See, it does work for this case. But instead of adding a new column, I want to do it by replacing function. So let's select this one. Before that, let's copy these variations. We need it. Yeah. Here, let's select these columns, go to the Home tab and replace value. Here I said that, for example, replace NA with null and see the results. Yeah, it's going to replace NA with null and see this is a formula. Instead of NA, I'm going to paste the list of variations. Let's leave null as it. But all comes from this replacer function. This is a specific function. Let's copy it and go to the new steps, paste it here, and see. Here it should be E at the end. So see, this is a specific function in Power Query. Receive 3 value. This is a value which is optional. Old value and new values all are optional. So it's going to replace the old value in the value by the new value. So if we call this one A, B, C, it's going to replace B inside the A by C. Instead of this function, I'm going to define my own functions. So let's remove this one. I define a function, receive A, B, and C, and based on the variation, it's going to handle it. So I said that if actually A is the value on this column and B is the value provided in this input, same as the process for adding a new column, I say that if list contains, and list is this, so B, and if it's include the A comes from this column, these columns, then provide C. C is the value that we mentioned here. We can write C or we can write null directly. Else provide the same value presented here. So again A, and see the result. Yeah, without adding a new column, we replace multiple values on one column.